All right, this is a mini portable rotary tool. You have all these different attachments. If you needed to drill into the wall really quickly, if you needed to sand something, if you needed to buff something out, yeah, you put these different attachments on the head, you lock them in place, and then you have this cordless thing where you turn it on, and you can see it spinning around, different speed levels as well if you need more power, and very slow too, or off. It's so small, and it's just great because it just fits in your hand. It's just like that perfect overall tool that you never know you need, and it's just like the best tool for you. It comes in this little case so you can keep it all together, and also comes with the charging cable, which is how you'll charge it up with USB-C at the bottom. But yeah, it gives you all these different attachments right here, different sandpapers, and it's very easy to use and easy to understand, and it's great. There's so many uses for it that just walking around, oh, I need to do this thing or that thing, this tool will work for it, and it's great for that. So I highly recommend it. This is great. This would be a great Father's Day gift as well. And yeah, thanks for watching.